In the past 24 hours, Manipur has reported 39 new cases of COVID-19, the highest single-day spike in 2021. There is no report of COVID-19 death in the same hours in Manipur. The latest update from COVID-19 Common Control Room said the cumulative number of deaths is 376, the number of active cases is 190, while the cumulative number of positive cases is 29,649 and the total number of recovered cases is 29,083. The recovery rate slipped to 98.09%. On the other hand, 14 persons infected with COVID-19 were discharged in the past 24 hours. India is currently reporting the sharpest growth rate of 7.6% in new COVID cases, which is 1.3 times higher than case growth rate of 5.5 reported in June 2020. India has reported 234,692 new COVID-19 cases and 1,341 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to data from the Union Health Ministry. The total cases in the country now stand at 1,45,26,609, media reports said. There are now 16,79,740 active cases, while 1,26,71,220 people have recovered from the disease. The overall death toll has reached 1,75,649. As many as 11,99,37,641 people have been vaccinated so far. Union Sports Minister RIJIJU has tested positive for the COVID-19. The 49-year-old politician from Arunachal Pradesh said that he has tested positive for the virus but is feeling fit and fine. RIJIJU was in Uttarakhand on Friday to inaugurate a Water Sports and Adventure Institute in Tehri. State Chief Minister Tiraj Singh Rawat, who recovered recently from the dreaded infection, was with him at the inauguration ceremony. Representatives of local clubs and women folk staged a sit-in protest yesterday at Thamnapok PK Farm Market demanding inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in India's scheduled tribe list. Convener of Naharupana Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Bisnupur T. Khaba, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur member A. Basanta, Executive Member of Naharupana Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Bisnupur K. Dorendro, Vice President of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur L. Lokendro, and Publicity Secretary of Coordinating Body on Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur Waikom Anand Meitei took part in the protest. Hairok Constituency MLA Dr. T.H. SHYAM yesterday inaugurated an LED floodlight at KABO LEIKAI Development Association playground in Hairok Part 3. The LED floodlight has newly installed under the supervision of the MLA himself. A football exhibition match between Mami Tawan and KDA was also played at the playground.